Hey, what's up guys? This is Johnny again with another video. This is gonna be the part 2 video for today. This one is the reason why I bought all those Opus 20th boxes. So I ended up actually picking up a beautiful humidor from the Lit Cigar Lounge. Huge thanks to Andrew for letting me know that he got this one in. I've been looking actually for one, not this one specifically, but I always wanted an Opus humidor. And when I saw this and I saw the color, I was so glad that I actually got the opportunity to buy the 20th boxes because everything's gonna go in here, and then the top part is just gonna be special ones as well. So what I wanted to do in this video, I actually wanted to do an unboxing of this humidor, and then we're also gonna take some time and put all those cigars into this one and some more as well. Technically, if I can fit all the cigars from the previous video into this humidor, that would be perfect. That would be the ultimate goal for this. So let's take a look. I'm gonna start the unboxing. Beautiful outer box. Take a look at this. Oh my God. this thing is beyond beautiful. I don't want to say absolutely beautiful because you guys would kill me, but this thing is gorgeous. Wow. Let's see if we can do this so I don't scratch it. Give me one moment. I want to show you all the way around, so there we go. So this is the top. A lot of great details into it. Of course, it's smooth. It might look like it's not smooth on the camera, but it's very smooth. Here's the top. Here's the inside. Let me do this so you can see it better. Such a beautiful humidor. The attention to detail is wonderful on this. Very heavy as well. Let's take a look at the other side as well. And of course, this one. And then over here, same as the other side. And here's the back. So this was made by MANNY, and this is for Opus Society. And I do have a couple of boxes of the Opus Society, so that might also go into this humidor. I believe this thing fits about 100 cigars, so I'm not sure. But let's take a look actually. Let's try and fill it up and go from there. There's a beautiful tray, amazing handles. Everything feels solid and heavy. What's cool about this, you get 4 slots for Bovedas as well. Of course, we're gonna get rid of these and we're gonna fill everything up. This divider, let me see, it might come off, I don't know, but I really don't want to do it. I like having the divider in there. So let's start with the first box. Let's do this. There we go. So I'm gonna do all of the Power of the Dream. Let's take a look. Would it fit like this? Oh, it fits like this. Perfect. This is amazing. Believe it should be a perfect fit, but I want to see how many it fits, because I did some research on it and it said that it fits 100 cigars. But you guys know with humidors, I mean, they always say one thing and then once you start filling it in, it's just completely different. So So far this is one box. Let's do a second box and see if that will fill it up completely on the other side. Let's see. I like that. I might keep this. Let's see. I want to try something. There we go. That looks good. Okay, let's try with this. Move these. So far these are 2 boxes. So you have 20, 40 cigars in here so far. We might be able to squeeze one more box, but I think that's it. So 40 and another 20, maybe that's 60. So let's take a look. Let's leave these Vovidas in here for now. And by the way, after this video, all of these are coming out of the humidor because I still have to get it seasoned. I literally just got it, I think yesterday. I picked it up yesterday or the day before, so there's one more Vovida. Let's try and do the same thing with these. Well, I tried, it didn't work. So here we go. Okay, here we go. Might actually not fit 3 boxes. I'm shocked. I assume this is gonna be bigger than this, honestly. Let's see. I am so happy. This thing, I mean, it looks so freaking good. Let's see. One here. I still have 2, 4, 6 to go. So let's do this. I think that's it. It won't fit more. Let's do this. Let's grab this. I want to hear your thoughts about this humidor. I've seen a lot of them on the market, but so far the colors and everything on this one is just exactly what I'm looking for. So let's see. So let's do this and use this thing. So it fits perfectly. It's not sitting on the cigars, which is great. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Maybe let's try and do this way. I usually, on the top tray, I don't like to go this way. I always like to leave them like this, and then I'll fill in the blank at the bottom. So I'm gonna keep it this way, actually. Let's see. A lot of you guys mention how I always organize the cigars. It takes me time, it's not easy, but it's super fun to do, so I don't mind doing it. So like these, I'm gonna take out of the boxes, leave them in here, like this. Again, I don't know how many I'm gonna be able to fit, but I do have some BBMFs and Taurus the Bull and stuff like that. I'm gonna add all of those to this humidor as well. So I'm gonna make this humidor kind of, and it's not just like, I'm not only gonna do blue cigars in here, obviously. I'm gonna do a little bit of everything. So you're gonna be able to see a lot of cigars in this thing. And you'll see it probably in another video as well, so. Might be a good idea actually to do the smaller ones like this. This way I can fit more. But see, it's always like challenging to do this. And of course, like I said, everything's gonna change once I put all of them in here. Go. I already took some out and I placed them in my dry box because I'm gonna be smoking some today with my friends. We're actually going to the lit, so that's amazing. So let's take a look. It's always challenging to get these out of the box. Let's take a look. What else we have? We have one more of these. So these are all the Toy Maker Vintage Series, the ones that you just saw in the previous video. I did take out the one that I broke, so that one is also going to be smoked. Actually, one of my friends reached out that he wants it as well, so we'll see. Go. Can we fit more? We can. Let's see. Let's take a look. And I'm probably going to leave all those Bovedas in there, but I'm also going to be I have the big ones, the 320, so I'm gonna do those in there as well, just to protect them a little bit more. This is such a great addition to the collection, especially for the new house that I just got. I mean, it's gonna be a great display piece. I do have that Liga Privada humidor, the one that I showed you guys in a previous video, and that one I've been getting a lot of crazy comments on. I mean, people are loving it. I have it displayed at my home and everybody loves it. So, but that's it. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit any more. So I have 2 boxes left that I couldn't fit, and 1 more box of the 20th that didn't fit as well. So let's see if we can close it. For some reason it didn't close. Let's take a look, see why. I think it's the Bovedas. I think the Bovedas are touching. Let's see. Because I don't think the cigars are sticking out. So. Oh, here we go. Yep. And here we go. So this is it. This is the second part of today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys love this. And again, Happy New Year, and thank you all for the great support. And thank you for subscribing, liking the videos, and sharing and commenting. This is amazing. So I cannot thank you guys enough. Happy New Year. I wish you guys all the best in life, all the happiness, and obviously all health as well. So have a great one and enjoy your day with the family, friends. And please let me know if there's any cigars that you want to see on the channel. comment down below if there's any recommendation as well, kind of like that Lampert cigars that you guys recommended. I'll be happy to get some. I'll be happy to try them as well and give you guys my thoughts on them. Have a wonderful day. Take care.